Installation guidelines for roof panels. Important: remove the protective foil. Install the underridge, add the JI sealants, and place the drainage system. To ensure a watertight and weather-resistant roof, it is essential to follow the correct panel placement sequence and take the main wind and rain direction into account. Panels should always be installed starting from the side opposite the prevailing wind and rain. This prevents water from being driven under the overlapping joints during storms or heavy rainfall. Carefully place the first panel. Check that it is straight and forms a clean 90-degree corner before moving on. To keep the roof watertight, use a strip of butyl air sealant between the overlapping panels and tighten screws just enough to gently press the washer without damaging the panel. Screws that are too loose or too tight can cause leaks and long-term damage. For water tightness, bend the profile upright in the valley near the ridge. Add insulation at the ridge for weather and thermal protection. Place the foam fillers before fitting the flashings or other accessories. Then finish the roof by installing the external ridge and securing them with screws. When cutting, ensure that no hot metal particles contact the panel coating. Remove all metal swarf and chips immediately to preserve the panel's integrity and appearance.